Children, name the largest continent of the world. Asia. Then, name the second largest continent of the world. Africa. Name the third largest continent of the world. North America. Now we are going to study the fourth largest continent of the world. That is South America. South America is the fourth largest continent of the world. Canal. Canal is a human-made waterway. The Panama Canal separates South America from North America. Children, please look at the map. See, this is Panama Canal. The Panama Canal separates South America from North America. It has 15 countries. There are 15 countries in South America. The Amazon, the largest river of the world, is situated in this continent. Now we are going to discuss the main points of South America. South America. South America is the fourth largest continent of the world. The Panama Canal separates South America from North America. It has 15 countries. There are 15 countries in South America. The Amazon, the largest river of the world, is situated in South America. Children, now I am going to read about South America. South America is the fourth largest continent. The Panama Canal separates South America from North America. There are 15 countries in South America. The Amazon, the largest river in the world, is in this continent. Brazil and Argentina are the largest countries. Now let's go to the next continent. Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent of the world. Already in the previous lesson we have studied about two poles of the earth. Which are they? North Pole and South Pole. Antarctica lies around the South Pole. Then it is completely covered by ice throughout the year because the climate of Antarctica is too cold. So it is completely covered by ice throughout the year. So people do not live here permanently. Now let's read the important points of Antarctica from the board. Antarctica. Antarctica lies around the South Pole. It is the fifth largest continent of the world. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent of the world. It is completely covered by ice throughout the year. The Antarctica is completely covered by ice throughout the year. That's why people do not live here permanently. Now let's read about Antarctica. Antarctica is located around the South Pole. It is the fifth largest continent. It is completely covered by ice throughout the year. People do not live there permanently. Now we have finished the continents of the world. Next we are going to learn about the oceans of the world. In the beginning we have discussed that the larger portion of the Earth's surface is surrounded by water. That is 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water bodies. Do you know the examples for water bodies? Oceans, seas, lakes, rivers and ponds are some examples for water bodies. Now let's move on to our topic, the oceans of the world. What are oceans? Large water bodies are called oceans. Oceans are large water bodies. What is the meaning of the word large water bodies? The large water bodies means large amount of water. Large water bodies means large amount of water. There are 5 oceans in the world. Let's see what they are. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic Ocean. Children, please repeat after me. The first one is the Pacific Ocean. The second one is the Atlantic Ocean. And the third one is the Indian Ocean. And the next one is Arctic Ocean. And the last one is the Antarctic Ocean. Let's discuss the important points of this part from the board. The oceans. Oceans are large water bodies. Oceans are large water bodies. What is the meaning of the word water bodies? Large water bodies means large amount of water. Then, already we have studied that the examples for water bodies. The examples of water bodies are oceans, seas, lakes, etc. Then there are 5 oceans in the world. How many oceans are there in the world? 5 oceans. Let's see what they are. The first one is the Pacific Ocean. The spelling of the Pacific Ocean is THE, the Pacific. PACIFIC, Pacific Ocean. OCEAN, the Pacific Ocean. The next one is the Atlantic Ocean. Its spelling is THE, the Atlantic. ATLANTIC, Atlantic Ocean. OCEAN. And the next one is the Indian Ocean. The THE, Indian. INDIAN, Indian. Ocean, OCEAN, Ocean. The Indian Ocean. And the fourth ocean is the Arctic Ocean. Let's see its spelling. The THE, the Arctic. ARCTIC, Arctic Ocean. OCEAN, Ocean. The Arctic Ocean. And the last one is the Antarctic Ocean. Its spelling is the THE, the Antarctic. ANTARCTIC, Antarctic Ocean. OCEAN, Ocean. The Antarctic Ocean. Now let's see the location of the Pacific Ocean with the help of a globe. In the previous lesson we have studied about the 4 major directions. What are the 4 major directions? The top side is north and the bottom side is south. This is west and this is east. Children, the continents of Asia and Australia. The continents of Asia and Australia lie to the west of Pacific Ocean. This is North America and South America. The continents of North America and South America lie to the east of Pacific Ocean. In other words, the Pacific Ocean lies between Asia and Australia on one side and North America and South America on the other side. We have located the Pacific Ocean on a globe. It is the largest and the deepest ocean of the world. Let's see the importance of the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. It is the largest and the deepest ocean of the world. Deepest. The meaning of the word depth, that is distance from the top to bottom. The distance from the top to bottom or down. Okay. Then the Pacific Ocean lies to the west of the continents Asia and Australia. And North America and South America lie to the east of Pacific Ocean. So children, the Pacific Ocean lies between Asia and Australia on one side and North America and South America on the other side. Children, the continents of North America and South America lie to the west of the Atlantic Ocean. The Europe and Africa lie to the east of Atlantic Ocean. And the Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean of the world. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean of the world. Now let's see what we discussed on the board. The Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean of the world. The continents of North America and South America lie to the west of the Atlantic Ocean, and the Europe and Africa lie to the east of the Atlantic Ocean. Children, now we have discussed about the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. Next we are going to locate the Indian Ocean on a globe. See, this is Indian Ocean. This is Indian Ocean. It is the third largest ocean of the world. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean of the world. It is the only ocean which is named after a country. Then it lies to the south of our country. The Indian Ocean lies to the south of our country, India. As we have discussed, the third largest ocean of the world is the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean of the world. It lies to the south of India. The Indian Ocean lies to the south of India. Earlier we have discussed that there are two poles on the earth. Which are they? North Pole and South Pole. The Arctic Ocean lies around the North Pole. See, this is Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean lies around the North Pole. Now let's see the important points of the Arctic Ocean on the board. The Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean lies around the North Pole. The Arctic Ocean lies around the North Pole. This region is very cold. That's why throughout the year it is frozen. The Arctic Ocean, major part of the Arctic Ocean is mostly covered with ice, that is, or ice sheets. Just now we have studied about Arctic Ocean that lies around the North Pole. Next we are going to locate the Antarctic Ocean. The Antarctic Ocean lies around the South Pole. The Antarctic Ocean lies around the South Pole. Children, the southern tips of Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean together form the boundary of the Antarctic Ocean. Now we are going to discuss about the Antarctic Ocean. The Antarctic Ocean. The Antarctic Ocean is also called Southern Ocean. The Antarctic Ocean is also called Southern Ocean. It lies around the South Pole. The Antarctic Ocean surrounds the South Pole. Then, the southern tips of the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean together form the boundary of the Antarctic Ocean. It is also known as Southern Ocean. Now we have completed the continents and the oceans. Next we are going to learn about seas, which are the smaller areas of oceans. Actually, the seas are the larger water bodies, but compared to oceans, it is smaller. Then, children, the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea are the examples for seas. Children, now I will help you to locate the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal on a globe. Children, look here. This is Arabian Sea and this is Bay of Bengal. The Arabian Sea lies to the west of our country and the Bay of Bengal lies to the east of our country, India. Students, so we have completed the second lesson, continents and oceans. Read the lesson several times and answer the exercise given on page number 10 and 11. Thank you. See you in the next class.